Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well and welcome to this channel. My name is Vaezi. I'm working as a digital marketer and SEO expert. The first question that might come to your mind is that why do you need to learn about digital marketing? And can I make money from internet easily? Yes, I bet you can. Now, I'm here to say that digital marketing tutorial is important subject that everyone who is running an online business should know about it. Well, the digital marketing curriculum that we have is based on the foundation of Google Rows and social media, and everything you learn after that is building up a missing puzzle in your business. So, I'd like to talk about e-commerce, digital marketing, and anything related to it in this channel. Now, if you want to learn digital marketing and to get certificates from Google and SEMrush, and also, if you're willing to take a part in a company as a digital marketer, I suggest you to watch more videos in my channel and make sure to click subscribe. In addition, I want to teach you how to design professional website as simple as drag on, drop. Now, if you like to make money from internet, please just get started. And you need a website that is created by WordPress. You can create content for your business and eventually receive a significant amount of income.